Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 12 by 12 inch canvas and some Artist Loft paint that's been changed or altered by adding Floetrol and some GAC 800. My recipe is underneath, show more underneath the video, as well as my cell activator recipe. I did a keyhole swipe with Prism pours from Colour Arte yesterday, and I absolutely loved the effect, and it was the first time I'd done that. And I want to do it again on a larger canvas. I'm not sure what those things are in there, but I wish they were not there. Sometimes they're bubbles, and I suppose I could torch very quickly because this is Artist Loft paint and not pillow paint, which is definitely the plan. I've already done my edges, not that I probably needed to, but I just figured I would do it and get it over with now. Alright, I am going to wipe off my spatula on my lily Vuffy, I guess, silicone mat, and go ahead and use my Prism pours, starting with my hot Orchid, which I still have some of, and I believe someone knows that there is a substitute that will make the same color, and I think they mentioned it was jasmine, but I'm not sure if it's a pigment powder or not. I don't like using little spoons and cups. I'm dying to put some of this into much larger bottles, but I'm using Vivid Polypore as a pouring medium with 20% GAC 800. And it's very heavy, much heavier than what I would have in a bottle. So were I to do that, I would have to change my recipe again. The recipe I'm using now will be under the video. That is a color. Where's my list? That's Violet Rose. This is Pink Diamond, which is similar but not the same as Hot Orchid. I love, love, love Pink Diamond. But then I love, love, love Hot Orchid too. I'm going to have to get the caps back on those pretty quick. I have something called Egyptian Coin. Which is gold, basically. And because they're sticky and they dry quickly, I'm going to have to be judicious and get the caps back on. That might be a problem. I'll just try and even it out a little. I think that is Northern Sky, to be joined by Water Dragon. And then I have to decide if there's going to be anything else. And I think there's going to be another purple. And I'm not entirely 100% sure, but I think this one is Twilight Violet. Yes, it's much darker. Getting better with the spoon. A little anyway. And then, because I can, that's the name of my first book, by the way, on the Amazon link that's on the link tree that's under the video. I'm going to use some Chantilly Lace just to add some sparkle to things. My cell activator is Australian Floetrol with Amsterdam Black. Do I have enough of everything I want there? I'm not sure. I put Bonfire in yesterday and I really liked it, and that's what this is, and I think I'm going to do that again. It seems like an odd color to me to add to certain colors that I've already got that are brights. But I'm pretty sure a little won't hurt anyway. I want to tip this, but I didn't actually put any paint under it to make it flow very well. So let's see how it goes. I'd love to just tip one of these, period, and see how that works. Now I really could do that with just by putting the cell activator in there. I think I'm just going to use little cards this time. But they're going to be thinner than yesterday's cards. I'm going to scrape that off into a scrape dish this time. And wipe it down. My studio rag. I kind of want to try white. I kind of also want to steal some paint. Fill in that edge. I'm going to be quiet because I'm focused because I've just started doing this. I kind of want to go from the other direction, but I'm not sure how that's going to work. I've got a little tiny card. Could be disastrous if this goes wrong. I had to double swipe because I had a burr. On my card, which does not bode well. Let's do it again. Only we'll leave a little more color this time. I'm going to blow that over the edge. Or at least I thought I was. I love the cells. I really do. There's not much to scrape off, I gotta say. I keep wondering if I pull this over to the edge, if I could drag the card right over, but it's not. It's kind of too much fuss. I love the shapes left behind. They're very floral. I'm going to take a little bit of that black and run it right along that edge right now. And then use some more cell activator. And I might run a skewer up through the middle of those. I'm not sure what's going to happen yet. Keep wiping off the residuals. Get all the colors there. Popping through on cells. Makes me want to put a little bloom at the bottom and blow it out with a straw. But I think that's another painting and not this one. Let's grab a little more cell activator. It's good to have a copious amount of cell activator. It really helps. One more time and I think I will be in the zone where I will be contemplating being done. Kind of regret not using any yellow, but every time I use yellow it's sort of tenuous. I'm trepidatious, the T words. So now it's time to choose. I see I have this on this side, so let me see if I can find that little card I had. Or just cheat. Let's just cheat. So that matches, that's good. And then I have this. What am I going to do with that? It's just one. Just one odd one. We'll do it on the other side and maybe that'll make a difference. I want that smaller card. That is not it, but I do have scissors to make that fit. It had a concave side on it, unfortunately, and now I'm going to have to find one that doesn't have that on it, and that's not impossible. Hopefully. I kind of don't mind that. I didn't mind it the way it was either, though, I gotta say. Just a little bit of pressure from my card. I think I can just use my skewer, see if I can find a somewhat clean one. Miracles do happen. I like that. I don't know if it needs it on both sides, if there should be a right side up and an upside down or not. But in any case, I'm doing it, so just taking a dip of paint, tipping my skewer back. Resting it and then tipping it back. I want more. Of course I do. Make sure I don't have white. Like that. You can sort of roll the skewer sideways too. Both to pick up paint and to put it down. Love, love, love the marks I'm making. Wondering if I need a couple more on the original side. I like the little dendrites here that are leading through. There, now I'm done. Except for this one spot over here. It keeps drying my eyes, so I need to mess with it. Alright, I could torch. But since I'm using the polypore, I'm not sure what the effect of that would be. But I still want to try it. I don't necessarily recommend it. Those colors are glorious. I think I want to get rid of that white line though. Not that I would be the only one. Alright, I've got 2 minutes to tell you I do sell my artwork, and I also give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. If you have an interest in either one of those things, please use my email address. It's below the link tree. The link tree is a blue link. It's under the video, probably under Show More, because there will be a 20% off coupon for Colour Arte, Prism pours, and whatever you find at Colour Arte, honestly. And you help me out. And the happier I can make Leslie, the more likely I am to be able to keep painting with Colour Arte products. So that's my theory, and I'm sharing it with you. So if you're thinking about asking for some of this for Christmas, make sure to remember to use the coupon. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I did a dry version of this, or I did one of these and it's dried already, and the cells where the black are amazing. They're extremely dimensional. I might cover my edges with black paint. I think that might be a good idea. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I'm going to zoom in for you as best I can. I need a taller turntable, or lower my camera down, which is not actually possible. I love you guys. I have over 2,300 videos. They're on playlists. You can find them by going to all playlists, created playlists on my channel. And there are 2,300 of them, and they are by subject and genre and by the 100. If you can't find a link, please ask me. I can help you with that. They're all organized so I can find them easily. On my link tree, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Society 6, Le Gallerist, clothing made in Montreal, investment quality, all over prints. Under the video, all over print leggings and t-shirts on spring clothing and more, way more. Thank you for the donations that help keep me making tutorials for you guys and purchasing art supplies. Thank you so much. And if you want to be in the monthly drawing, a donation through PayPal, you can find the icon on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner or the link on my link tree. We'll get you an invitation to be in the monthly drawing, and you can see the prizes at the beginning of the exhibition video included on the end screen of this video or most recent videos. If you are looking for a Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors is for shopping any number of my places that I post things that are for sale. And that would be big assistance if you feel like shopping. It's Christmas right now, or almost on the way to the holiday season, very, very close. And what can I tell you? Tomorrow's video will probably be on my community board. You can find my community board and post there and have communications with me but by going to my channel. Questions are fine. Please ask. If you'd like to ask me questions, I'm happy to help you. What am I missing? I know there's something. Well, my email address is below the link tree. I think I said that already. Okay, I'm a little lost. Again. Go figure. I had it right there. It was on the tip of my tongue. Anyway, I love you. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, come again tomorrow at 12:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I should have another video ready for you. Or sometime or something similar. Thank you for sharing and watching longer and watching the commercials. All those things help me out a lot. Your thumbs up is important, and your comments keep my morale boosted. Thank you.